For the teachers and all the students who participated, and all of us also for showing so much of energy. So on this occasion, Prakash Utsav and its Gurpurab on the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It is also known as Prakash Utsav. There was a question in GK and somebody answered it. Prakash, it means we all are enlightened because of the help of gurus who have taken birth on this earth, and they have come up with the epics like Guru Granth Sahib, we have Mahabharata, we have Bible, we have Quran. So in all these epics, in all these books that these great people, they took birth on this earth and they wrote it. Why they wrote it? Because we have a lifelong lessons to learn from these writings that is relevant till today. Centuries of years ago they have been written, and it is relevant till date and for the centuries to come. Thank you and have a nice day.